Iridescent Boxes by ClearBags are a fun and colorful packaging option. The iridescent outer finish allows your product to be seen while keeping it protected. These boxes are made of food-safe materials. To assemble, simply fold around the soft fold lines and tuck in the side tabs to close. Decorate using custom labels and stickers or with metallic stretch loops. These boxes are easy to load with products. The soft folding or pop and lock closures make it easy to assemble. Tuck in the tabs to securely close the box once filled. These boxes are ideal for items like card sets, coasters, decorated sugar cookies, cosmetics, pet supplies, candy, and more. Available in multiple sizes, these boxes are made of 12mm high-density PET materials. Pop and lock technology makes assembly quick and easy. With a unique iridescent finish, you can use these boxes in retail environments, gifts, party favors, markets, and any other occasion. Be fun with Iridescent Boxes by ClearBags.